I cannot be the only one that has been noticing the rave about DIY face masks, especially the turmeric and honey face masks on Facebook and on TikTok. Oh my god, you guys, those people on those platforms, especially Facebook, they are so in love with DIY masks. And I've been hearing tons of people saying a lot of amazing things about this particular face mask. And I said, you know what better way to actually give this face mask a try than to come and share it with you and share the process with you. And that is why, see, let me tell you guys, my darlings, first off, I am on here with my face, my bare face, no makeup of any sort. I don't even have a lip gloss on. And for the benefit or the purpose of this video and this DIY face masks that we're about to try out, I am also not going to be colorating this video at all. So whatever picture quality you are seeing is straight from my camera, no editing of any sort. So we are going to be trying out this face mask together, and we are going to know if it actually works or not. Now, this face mask is said to be an antibacterial face mask that helps to fight acne. It's supposed to soothe any irritation on your skin and will even out your skin tone to give you a radiant and a glowy look. Now, the major ingredients, of course, that make up this DIY face mask, aside other ingredients, is the turmeric and the honey. Okay, now honey is supposed to moisturize your skin, remove fine lines and wrinkles for your skin, to give you a smoother and a more hydrated skin, while turmeric is supposed to brighten your dark spots and heal any wounds or scars that you might have on your face. So this means that in the long term, if you use it for a certain period of time, it will also help you to take care of hyperpigmentations. And I honestly don't have much of that. And the breakout or pimple you might be seeing on my face are just very little, okay, very minimal. But yeah, we're going to see. We are going to be seeing what the glow looks like just before you use this face mask and after you use this face mask. And of course, other ingredients that you'll be needing for this mask is your water, your face cleanser based on your skin type, your face moisturizer, and of course a sunscreen, especially if you know that you're going to be stepping out of your house few minutes, okay, after making use of this face mask. And now, how do you make this face mask? So I have my raw honey here, I have my turmeric powder here. You can see it written turmeric. I have a small bowl, okay, that I have set aside for mixing my DIY marks. So if there are other DIY marks that you would like us to try out on this channel, please drop them in the comment section below and we're going to be trying it out. Okay, don't ask me where I got it from, okay, or how I improvised to get it, but we're going to be using it for our DIY marks and I'm really looking forward to doing more. I have a brush here to help me apply the marks to my face and a spoon to help us with measurements. We're going to go in with 1 tablespoon each of the honey and the turmeric mask and the powdered turmeric. You guys, I think I should go in with this first since that is liquid. So I'm going to go in with this first. 1 tablespoonful. This one is even too much. That one, Banish. Is it not too much? Is this spoon not more than 1 tablespoonful? So we have this right here. Our honey, 1 tablespoon full. Even if I feel like this spoon I'm using is too much or 1 tablespoon full, let me know if I'm correct. Yeah, of honey. Let's give this a good mix. Just about enough, right? Mix this, give this a good mix so that it gives you a thick paste. Okay, this is the consistency that you should have. Okay, our turmeric face mask is ready. So the next thing that you want to do, of course, is to go in with your face mask. But first, okay, you need to go and wash your face, to cleanse your face, to give the mask a clean base to work with. Since I don't want it to be overly long, I'm going to go off camera to cleanse my face and I'm going to come back here with a clean face and without my glasses, of course. So let me go and clean my face. So you guys, back from cleansing the face, part dry. So we're going to be going in right away. Yeah. So now that we're done, okay, I'm literally feeling very funky and sassy, okay, you guys, after applying this face mask. But yeah, you're going to be leaving the face mask to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So let's do 10 minutes, okay. Let's just be sure that we get something, okay, something out of this today. And the time is currently 12:34. I don't know if you can see this, if the reflection of the sun will allow you to see it. It's currently 12:34. So by 12:44 we are going to be coming back here. Oh my god, can she sing my song? I'm in school, wanna get my hand above. My lecturer wants to have sex with me. My HOD wanna get down on my knees. I'm in love with my studies. I don't give a damn if you fail me. My name is Bimbo. Bimbo, away at me. What you say, what you say? Bimbo, Bimbo, away at me. That's very good, very smooth, and very nice. Come and see me immediately in my office. Excuse me, sir. I hope there is no problem. When you come, we should know if there is one. Eh,
2,000 years later.
Woo! And you guys, and you guys, we are back. Okay, this is what my face looks like 10 minutes later. This is 12:44. We left at 12:34. I can't remember the first face mask I ever tried on my face. I had turmeric, okay, as an ingredient, and it did sting me. But this one did not give me any stingy feeling whatsoever. But you can tell that initially when I applied the mask, it felt a bit, dry. You could know that there was something on your face. But right now, aside maybe when I see something, okay, from my lower eye, okay, is that correct? When I see something, that's when I know that there's something on my face, but it feels lighter. And if I feel like it became more moist, I don't know if it's the oil from my skin, okay, but it became more moist and I feel so comfortable with it right now. If you're targeting dark spots and you really have serious dark spots on your face or hyperpigmentations that you want to tune out, okay, I think you want to leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes. I think it is still going to do amazing. It is not going to hurt your skin. Now the reason why honey is there, of course, is to make sure also that the turmeric is not so harsh on your skin, to reduce the sensitivity of the turmeric on your face. So this face mask is perfect for you even if you have a sensitive skin. It is perfect for all skin types. Now, of course, the next thing that we're going to be doing is to go and take off this face mask. Rinse off with warm water. If you feel that you're not, honestly, it is not going to stain your skin. It is really not going to stain your skin. But if you're not comfortable with it, you can go in with a more gentle moisturizer that you might have. Okay, go in with your moisturizer and cleanse your face. But other than that, honestly, like I said, it is not going to stain your face or your skin. So all you need to do is just rinse off with warm water. I am going to go off camera to wash this off, or to rinse this off rather, and I'm going to come back here to show you guys what the result is. I was going to be scoring this marks from a 1 to 10, okay? I am going to be waiting for your rating in the comment section below. So let's go and wash off this mask. You guys, so this is me right from the bathroom after rinsing out the face mask from my face. As you can already see and tell, it did not stain my skin, it did not stain my face. So for us to actually see what results we've gotten, let's just pat this dry. Right, so after patting this dry, this is what the face looks like. Let me know what you think. Did you notice anything? What are your observations? Okay, you guys, like, let me know in the comment section below what you can notice. Okay, you guys. And remember, I said let us rate this result from a 1 to 10 using this face mask. You guys, what do you think? How does it look? Below. Are there other face masks that you would like us to try here on this channel? Other skincare hacks that you'd also like us to try out? Please drop them in the comment section below. I am waiting to have tons and tons of conversations with you guys in the comment section below, of course. And that brings us to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful, interesting, entertaining? Please let me know in the comment section below. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.